The Oxford University vaccine has huge potential. It's already passed 2 phases of its testing and is now being rolled out to some of the worst affected parts of the world. From the tens of thousands who've been given it, many have provided a strong immune response to the virus. Yet so rigorous is the testing regime that an adverse reaction from a single patient has led to the trials having to be suspended by the manufacturer AstraZeneca to ensure it is safe for everyone. That means no new people are being added to the trials.
This sort of event happens very frequently in vaccine trials. The reason we are hearing about it is because clearly there's a lot of scrutiny over the COVID vaccine, and clearly the researchers at Oxford and the company itself are keen on being as open and transparent as possible.
The hope is that the trials can resume in a few weeks. The best case scenario is still that hundreds of millions of doses are rolled out early next year. Scientific experts have been at pains to point out that just because someone is vaccinated and then becomes ill, by no means does it imply that the vaccine caused the illness. If anything, they say hiccups like this are perfectly common in vaccine trialling. They also argue that it should be taken by the public as evidence that the process is trustworthy. More concerning for the British government is that people have stopped taking the virus seriously enough, particularly young people who are unlikely to get ill but could kill their grandparents. Yet that messaging isn't working, and so the Prime Minister announced that as of Monday next week, gatherings of more than 6 will become illegal.
This will apply in any setting, indoors or outdoors, at home or in the pub. The ban will set out in law and it will be enforced by the police. And anyone breaking the rules risks being dispersed, fined and possibly arrested.
The great fear is that with autumn coming, people refusing to obey the rules could start to have an impact on hospitalisations again. It hasn't happened yet, though. In the absence of a vaccine, public awareness is still the best hope. Laurence Lee, Al Jazeera, Oxford.